Well, this video isn't going to be real long. I just wanted to show you guys some stuff that I thought might be handy if you're going to do what I'm doing and moving. Okay, you see this can right here. It's called Great Stuff Pest Block. It's a foaming agent. You shake it up and then you squirt it in different cracks so your pests like bugs and such and mice can't get in. Well, I drilled little holes right here, just one there, one in different spots, stuck that in and filled it up until it started coming out at the bottom. Now it just comes out kind of gooey and then it sets up just like foam. Well, there ain't gonna be no mouse come down in there. And then that just slobbers there. Did the same thing up there. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So the mice can't get in there, crawl up through them little suckers are tricky. Now I did that on all four corners. And when I was putting it in here, it was just falling in there. I didn't know what it was doing, but I put a good amount in there. And then when I came back later, it had expanded up into all the little cracks. So, and that seems like that was the only places that I would have thought the mice could get in. You see I drilled a hole right there so I could stick the nozzle in the exact same size of the nozzle and then kept squirting it till it got in there. Now I did that on all four corners, top and bottom. Right there it didn't come up as much because it's a big cavity, but you can see there's plenty. Let me zoom in on that a little bit for you. There's plenty up in there. But one can don't go too far. It took me one can to do each trailer. And as you can see, we're packing her up. Spent all day doing that. So both of my trailers should be sealed. Is better than they were anyway. Because you don't want to let all the little pesky critters that get in there, because I got some stuff in here that my grandmother gave me and quilts that she made. You know, you get hand-me-down stuff like that, you just don't want the mice to eat them up. But that's all I'm gonna say about this. So short little video. Hope this helps you guys out. If you're gonna store something or put it in your even your RV, I'm gonna get some of that and stick it in all the cracks in my RV also. So, hope this helps y'all out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It really does help. And if you give me a thumbs up and a comment, that helps me in my YouTube channel standing. So, please help me out if you like them. Thank you.